So the next type of software metrics estimation. Software estimation metrics is the COCOMO model. What's this COCOMO? Constructive cost estimation model. Boehm proposed COCOMO constructive cost estimation model in the year 1981. COCOMO is one of the most generally used software estimation models in the world. So COCOMO is one of the most generally used software estimation models in the world. COCOMO predicts the efforts and schedule of a software product based on the size of the software. So it predicts the efforts and schedule of a software model based on the size of the software. COCOMO model. The necessary steps in this model are: get an initial estimate of the development effort from evaluation of thousands of delivered lines of source code KDLOC. Determine a set of 15 multiplying factors from various attributes of the project. Calculate the effort estimate by multiplying the initial estimate with all the multiplying factors, that is multiply the values step 1 and step 2. So this is all what we are going to see in the later part, in the calculations, in the problems, how to calculate a COCOMO model sum. The initial estimate, are also called as the nominal estimator, is determined by an equation of the form used in the static single variable models using KD log thousands of delivered lines of source code as the measure of size. To determine the initial effort EI in person month, an equation is used is of the type as shown: A into KD log into B. So this we will see how to solve. This is your equation, that is your formula. You have to learn this. We will see the sums, how to solve for COCOMO. The value for constant are constant for A and B, which depends on the project type. What are the types of project? There are 3 types of project: organic, semi-detached and embedded. We will see for all these types what are the values of your A and B when we were solving the sums. We will see that. Now, what is an organic type? A development project can be treated of organic type if the project deals with developing a well understood application program. The size of the development team is reasonably small and the team members are experienced in developing similar methods of the project. Example of this type of projects are simple business systems, simple inventory management systems and data processing systems. So a development project can be treated as organic if the project is what? It is of a reasonably small size. Number 1 point, your size should be small and the team members should be experienced with the methods of the project. Semi-detached. A development project can be treated with semi-detached type if the development consists of a mixture of experienced and inexperienced staff. So if it is consisting of a mixture of experienced staff as well as inexperienced staff, then we say that it is semi-detached type. Members may have finite experience in related systems but may be unfamiliar with some aspects of the order being developed. So some part they will be experienced, some part they will not be experienced. Example of a semi-detached system include developing a new operating system, a database management system and complex inventory management systems. Embedded. A development project is treated to be of an embedded type if the software being developed is strongly coupled to the complex hardware or if the stringent regulations on operational method exist. For example, ATM, air traffic controller. For 3 product categories, Boehm provides a different set of expressions to predict effort in a unit of person month and development time for the size of estimation in kilo lines of code. Efforts estimation takes into account the productivity loss due to holidays, week offs, coffee breaks, etc. So this is about the embedded efforts. So according to Boehm, cost Software cost estimation can be done in 3 stages. COCOMO model can be divided into 3 stages. You have the basic model, the intermediate model, and the detailed model. We'll know about each of them in the later part of the chapter. So we have the 3 modules. We have divided the COCOMO model into 3 parts: basic model, intermediate model, and detailed model. So this is the introduction of COCOMO.